and we have the car of the day. This is the 2022 Ford F150 Crew Cab. This is the two buckets right here in the presentation, and we are featuring black wrap with a perforation combo, stone stitch for this kit. And of course we have this in different colors, different configurations, two tones, different piping, stitching, you name it. More than 60 different colors plus combinations, plus exotics, plus suede, you name it, guys. If you need anything like this for virtually any vehicle, give us a call. Visit leathertech.com, upholsterytechnology.com, and start the buying process. Like and subscribe if you want to keep updates from the products that we are showcasing right here. Now, let's take a look at the vehicle. This is the 2022 Ford F150. Nothing wrong with this vehicle. It's been probably 2 years that it rolls out of the dealer. Cloth is still in pretty good shape, but that's the problem. It still have cloth. Beautiful screen, beautiful truck. The steering wheel is grab, not the cheap version from the XLT. Fantastic vehicle. It features also the big sunroof, but it doesn't have leather. So we have to do something about that, and of course that's why it's here at Upholstery Technology, so we can do the installation for this client. This is the rear, guys. No armrest. This is a split 60/40 map pockets. All these features are going to be retained on the kit. And wait until I complete this installation so you can see how beautiful this vehicle is gonna look. Visit leathertech.com to buy your kits in many colors, many configurations. If you don't find what you need, give us a call. Saying go to upholsterytechnology.com. We offer more than just leather seats right there. And guys, look forward for that video for the completion of the interior, so you see how beautiful this vehicle is gonna look.